This is Bali, an enigmatic island paradise. Nestled within the expansive Indonesian archipelago, resplendent in its captivating landscapes, rich cultural tapestry, and endless allure. If your journey leads you to the enchanting shores of Bali, here is the list of top 10 must-visit places in Bali. At number 1, we have the majestic Kintamani volcano. Also known as Mount Batur, a hike to its peak at sunrise is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Number 2 is the mystical Lempuyang Temple. A sanctum of serenity renowned for its gate of heaven, this iconic spot has become a favorite backdrop for Instagram enthusiasts. At number 3, the serene Ulindanu Buratan Temple. Nestled on the tranquil shores of Lake Buratan, its reflection dances on the water. Creating an ethereal illusion of a floating temple, a vision of celestial elegance. At number 4, the legendary Tanah Lot Temple. Perched high on a rock formation against the backdrop of the restless ocean, it offers a spellbinding spectacle of the sun descending into the sea, painting the horizon in a riot of vibrant hues. At number 5, prepare to be awed by the mighty Teganangan waterfall. Nestled in the heart of the jungle, feel the power of nature as you swim at the base of the waterfall. Number 6 is the iconic Tegalalang Rice Terraces. Experience the thrill of the Bali swing here as you swing over the lush green landscapes. Number 7, perched on a cliff 70 meters above the sea, the Uluwatu Temple provides panoramic views of the ocean. And don't be missed the traditional kekek dance performance at sunset. Number 8 is for a more cosmopolitan experience. Seminyak is the place to be, luxury spas, upscale restaurants, and a vibrant nightlife await you here. At number 9, immerse yourself in the tranquility of Tertaganga Water Palace. Wander amidst its beautiful gardens, fountains, and pools teeming with koi fish. Finally, at number 10 is the spectacular Kalinkin Cliff on Nusa Penida Island. Emerging from the sea like a prehistoric titan, this imposing cliff offers a view that is as magnificent as it is humbling. These were the 10 unmissable places in Bali. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures around Bali.